Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your protection plans with Aetna detailed guide step. To upgrade your protection plans with Aetna, start by visiting the official Aetna website. Log into your Aetna account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by selecting the register option. Once logged in, navigate to the My Plans section of your account dashboard. Here, you'll find an overview of your current protection plans. Select the specific plan you wish to upgrade, and click on the Details link for more information. Review the coverage options and benefits associated with the upgraded plan. Take note of any differences in premium costs, coverage limits, and exclusions. When you're ready, click on the Upgrade button associated with your selected plan. Follow the prompts to enter any additional required information, such as updated personal or payment details. Review the upgrade summary carefully to ensure all information is accurate. If everything looks correct, confirm your upgrade by clicking the Submit button. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after completing the upgrade process. Keep this email for your records, as it will contain important details about your new plan. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Aetna's customer service for assistance. Their representatives can guide you through any challenges related to the upgrade process. Remember to regularly review your protection plans to ensure they meet your evolving needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.